Hi, I am Nancy. Welcome to my channel. I want to encourage you to start gardening. And of course, anybody can be a gardener. If you are an Indian, you will definitely have mustard seeds in your kitchen. If not, it's not so hard to find it in an Indian store. It is the cheapest option. You can germinate the seeds anywhere, as mustard has the highest germination rate considered to any other vegetable. I use different type of packaging which I get from supermarkets. And also I use old kitchen pots which is not usable anymore. If you grow them in a shallow container or too many seeds in the same pot, the leaves tend to be smaller compared to the one which is in the bigger container, of course. So you can transplant to a bigger container when they have at least 4 leaves, or you can plant the seeds directly in bigger container so that you will get bigger leaves. There are many types of mustards, so definitely the leaves depends on the seeds you got. Some seeds provide only smaller leaves because of the variety. So if you don't like surprises, you can get the seeds from a nursery. That is a kitchen pot I used to grow mustard seeds, which is overcrowded. Anyway, I like it that way. And the panda, I painted it. Did you like it? Please leave your comments. Happy gardening!